I am literally running out the house again. I'm always running out the house, y'all. But this wig is perfect because I'm on my way to a baby shower. And who gonna be slaying at the baby shower? Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling amazing. This wig is very pretty. She has some pros, she has some cons, she has all that great stuff. I'm gonna show y'all in this video how to slay this $40 wig, because it's a $40 wig. But I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it. You know, y'all know the drill. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna put this wig on. I'm gonna tell you how I feel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider sticking around because I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I do a little bit of skincare and I do a little bit of makeup. If that interests you, hit that subscribe button. For all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for coming back because we have good times over here. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Let's jump into it.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
My friends, so I'm finished installing this wig and she is gorgeous. I am impressed with this wig. She's really pretty. Y'all, my lighting is funky with this video. I know, because I never actually filmed this early. The way the sunlight's coming in and my lights and all that, and I just don't know what I want to do. Hold on. All right, I think that's better. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig because I am literally running out the house again. I'm always running out the house, y'all. But this wig is perfect because I'm on my way to a baby shower. And who gonna be slaying at the baby shower? Okay, let's give some specs. So this is a Butta lace wig. This is unit number 20. I have the color Balyage chocolate. I just don't know what I want to do with this lighting. I think that's good. I think the light is hitting right with that, right? So if you're not familiar with this collection, this is a beginner friendly collection. Well, kind of, sort of. I'll talk about that in a second. But this is a beginner friendly collection, meaning you're only going to get a standard lace part. This is kind of like a T-part wig. Y'all, my voice is kind of gone because I went out last night. Oh, your girl B, she be doing stuff. So you're going to get some lace in the front. You're just going to get a standard lace part. Now, if you're not familiar with this collection, I've reviewed plenty of Butta lace wigs. I think I have a playlist by now, but if not, I'll set one up in the future. Check it out right here. Hopefully I insert it by the time this video drops. We're on number 20, so that means they, you know, they went all the way up to 20. So this collection is branched off of the What Lace collection. That collection just has the 13x6 lace frontal. This one is just going to give you, like I say, your standard lace. I'm looking at the time and I'm rushing. Let me slow down, y'all. Slow down. I'm already late. I'm already late to the baby shower, so slow down. This one is branched off from the What Lace collection, and I like that because they're giving us options with budgets. They're giving us options with where you are with how you feel like installing the lace, you know, and all that blase. This wig does range in a $39 range. You could get anywhere from, I've seen $35 to $40. It's going to come with this very thin, virtually undetectable lace, and I like that. Get some baby hairs, blah 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 blah. So let's go ahead and jump into some cons and some pros and wrap this video up. Okay, some cons. Let's start with some cons. So the way I install this wig, I'm gonna tell y'all that first and then tell y'all some cons. I'm all over the place because, like I said, I'm rushing. Y'all know how I get. So the way I install this wig, I did go in with this wig and I put some powder up underneath the lace. Before, I didn't used to do that. I used to put it on the, oh, I didn't even put powder in the parting space because I'm rushing, y'all. So the way I install this wig, I'm gonna tell you guys while I put the powder on the powdering space. I didn't used to put powder underneath the lace because I found that it was a little bit too cakey, but I did go in with powder underneath the lace, and I feel like it kind of gives it a little bit more realistic vibe with looking more scalp-like. And I like going in with powder underneath my lace now, and I also do, as you see, going with powder on top of the lace for the parting space. So I did that. Also did go in this time with my Ebony York red can, only because my black can is running low, and like I said, I'm on my way out and I wanted this wig to last for a while. I was hesitant with this one at first because I felt like it broke me out, but we gonna see. Hopefully this don't break out my forehead, but so far the yellow and the red can didn't break me out, so I'm gonna use this up. I'm trying to use up all the lace sprays in my house, y'all. I have a whole video on different lace sprays. Check it out right here. But we need to use up these products. We can't just keep buying stuff, okay? Absolutely not. The security is really firm on that, so I'll be using this for a while until I run low. I really do like the hold on that. This wig is not going anywhere, so she ain't gonna be flapping at the baby shower. As far as cons go, I plucked up this hairline. I'm pretty used to this Butta lace collection, y'all. I've established that you kind of have to put in a little bit of work with these $30, $40 wigs. I mean, you can't expect to get a $300 look wig with a $40 wig. You got to put some work into it. Now, yes, this wig is beginner friendly, but I really do feel like if you guys saw that hairline, if you want to not have baby hairs and kind of sleek it back and all that, you're gonna have to put some work into it, sis. It's okay. Trust me. You could do it. You could do it. I got a whole video. Trust me, I got videos for days on this channel. I got a video right here, and you guys are responding really well to that plucking video. Keep trying. Keep doing it. You can slay these wigs too. I used to think that only these wig gurus out here, girls, can do it, but you can do it. Just keep practicing and put that work into this wig, and your $30 wig will look like a $300 wig.
There it is.
If you put the little bit of work into it, you know what I'm saying? I did pluck up this hairline, and I'm not mad about that because, like I said, it's a $40 wig, and I've accepted that you gotta put a little bit of work into it. So yes, it looks good when you pluck up the hairline. I love how thin the lace is. Another con for some people might be it's kind of shedding on me. But at first I thought it was because of the way I plucked it, but the back is shedding. It's shedding. It's shedding and it's tangling. Like, it's coming out. But I'm cute though. I'm cute. I'm giving looks. I'm giving looks. So I'm kind of okay with that because I've accepted that synthetic wigs shed and tangle. But this one might be shedding a little bit too much for some people. The cap is a little small, but that's sensational. That might be a con for some people. It's fitting just right. But, you know, go in knowing exactly what you expecting with this wig. One last thing that I want to mention with this wig is that I am disappointed that when I purchased this wig, These websites need to fix their descriptions, okay? Because when I purchased it, I'm not going to say the website that I bought it from, but the website did say that this was a human hair blend. This is not a human hair blend. This is a regular Butta lace wig. The Butta lace regular synthetic wigs compared to the Butta lace human hair blend wigs are totally different.
You really think so?
Keep that in mind because I was a little confused, and I probably... I don't want to say I wouldn't have got it, but I like the human hair blend versions of the Butta lace versus this one. It's like $10 more, and I feel like they last a little bit longer and they're not as tangly, but that's just my little thing. Trust me, I emailed Sensational and I emailed that company and I told them they need to take the wording off, but I looked today and it still says human hair blend on that website. So it's not a human hair blend, y'all. It's still beautiful. It's still a really beautiful glam wig and it gets the job done. Okay, as far as pros goes, let's go ahead and jump into some pros because I gave y'all kind of a lot of cons. But as far as the texture goes, guys, this is definitely on that. It's not kinky, it's not yucky. This is a silky wig. It's not too silky. It does have a little bit of light yucky on it, but it feels good. It's kind of reminded me of a silky body wave human hair wig, guys. This wig, I like it. I would repurchase this wig in a natural color and in this color because I'm on my way out to an event, y'all. I didn't have to curl this wig. Like, do you see these beautiful curls in here? This wig is pretty long. It might be too long for some people, so I'm definitely gonna go in and chop it up. This is the hair all to the front right here. So it's really, really long. And in the back, this is how it looks. So it's coming all the way down to my butt. It's really long, but it's so pretty. It's really glamorous and really pretty. As much as this wig does look really full, it is a little on the thin side. Like, this is all the hair that you're gonna get, so keep that in mind. But I'm okay with that because I know what I paid for. Over time, yes, I probably will chop some ends off if they start getting frayed and ratty after this. It's probably gonna happen because it's gonna happen. It's a synthetic wig. You have to put your mind and expect and know certain things when you go into certain situations. This is a synthetic wig. It's a long synthetic wig. It's going to tangle. It's going to fray. Do not expect a $300 expectation on a $30 wig.
Facts.
Okay? But work with what you have. And I keep saying 30, but it's $40. But work with what you have and it's going to be okay. But I really like her. I think she's really pretty. See, look, the light is changing on me. Let me make it lighter. Boom, we lighter. I feel good today, y'all. Like, this wig has me feeling really, really good. I did review the full lace frontal version of this. I would say it's the 13x6 lace frontal of this. I reviewed Rashana last week or some other time. I don't know when I'm gonna drop these videos, but this one started getting tangly on me after I wore her. She got ratty, she got tangly, but I expected that. But I also know what to do with this wig when I'm done with it. Y'all stay tuned for that. Well, actually, don't stay tuned for that. I think I'm gonna make a reel or something. I know how to bring these wigs back to life, so I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it at all. I'm going in with my Brandywine shampoo and conditioner. We gonna revive this wig. Check that video out right here. I'm gonna make a reel and show y'all how y'all bring these wigs back. So I'm not worried about it looking ratty. I'm not worried about it looking tangly by the end of the day because I know how to make these wigs last and, you know, get my money's worth out of it. Also, as far as another pro is this color. This Balyage chocolate is really gorgeous, guys. I love this face frame and highlight thing that it's giving me in the front here. Like, it's really opening up my face, you know? It's really like bringing everything together. I love the way it blends from this dark root down to this brown and this face frame and highlight right here. It's beautiful. I did notice on this other wig, it kind of was a little bit more brown all the way around. This other wig, Rashana, the one that I reviewed recently. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But this one, I noticed it was a little bit more brown, and the face frame and highlights didn't seem so pronounced as it does with this one. Even it's the same Balyage chocolate color, but I'm not sure if it's just because this is just the lace part version of it or whatnot. But anyway, you too can slay this wig. Get your money's worth. Go on with your tools. Go on with a hot comb. A hot comb makes a difference. Tweezing it makes a difference. Melting it makes a difference. All of that makes a difference to make these $40 wigs look like $300 wigs. Some people might be disappointed in the plucking and all that stuff that you have to put into the wig, but consider what you're paying for and understand that you might have to put in a little bit of work if you want certain looks. This is not expected to be fresh out the pack. So I'm okay with that. I've accepted that I have to put in a little bit of work to some of these wigs, and after you do that, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, the plucking did take about 20 minutes, but it's fine. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.